Welcome to today's inspired healing meditation, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your most favorite relaxing music, have your journal close by, and drop into a moment of peace and calm with me, Helene Rose. Welcome to your inspired healing meditation. In today's meditation, you are guided to connect deeply with your heart, with this beautiful earth. We step into this moment of softening, surrendering, strengthening, and trust. We release what we no longer need, what's in the way of growing our beautiful divine light. And we use our breath to grow this light and to release what is in the way of this light shining even brighter. We trust this journey, this road, and we find gratitude for all of it. I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into today's meditation. Close your eyes, bring your outer gaze inward, and notice your breath. As you exhale, let your physical body soften. We set the intention of deep alignment with our highest self. We set the intention of growing our inner God light, strong, burning bright, shining. We set the intention of deep relaxation, connection, and awareness. We trust the beautiful unfolding of today's meditation as it unfolds for our highest good. We feel our feet firmly planted on the ground, and we breathe with our earth, inhaling and exhaling, feeling this strong, sturdy connection of ourselves with the earth. And we claim our divine spot on this earth, saying, I belong here in this spot. This is where I belong. This is where I root. This is where I soften. This is where I surrender. This is where I trust the beautiful unfolding of life. This is where I flower and become all that I am meant to become. And so we breathe so deeply with the earth. We become so strong, solid, secure, rooted, attached, belonging, that when the winds of change come our way, as they will do and always do, we can count on that. When the winds of change come our way, we are strong, we belong, we stay rooted and grounded, we can withstand any storm that comes our way. Visualize this place of connection between you and our earth. Visualize this root, this stem. What does it look like in your mind's eye? Can you breathe into this root and expand it? Can you visualize greater flow between you and the earth? As you exhale, can you soften, trust, surrender? Can you release? In this moment, breathing with the earth, as you exhale, imagine anything you no longer need being released through your root to the earth to be reabsorbed. Whether we know what that is, or just allow whatever is in our way to be released, we do so with our breath, breathing in and releasing. We grow our light as we inhale and we release. Take several deep breaths at your own pace, growing your inner God light and releasing what no longer serves you. Notice any heaviness or struggle or worry in your heart. Maybe there is something weighing heavy on your heart in this moment. And we can acknowledge that we are human. We feel, we are growing, we are learning. We are in this school of life in order to become more aware, more connected, more aligned, and to create. We are meant to create. We are master creators. So we can take a deep breath into any heaviness in your own heart. We can visualize this warm, loving light surrounding this heaviness as we inhale. And as we exhale, this heaviness can begin to soften. And we affirm, in this moment, we choose love. In this moment, we choose love. Take a deep breath into softening. Take a deep breath into surrender. Take a deep breath into strength. Take a deep breath into trust. No matter what comes our way in these coming days or weeks ahead, we continue our practice. We continue staying strong and rooted. We continue growing our inner lights. We continue breathing. And we say thank you for this gift to continue to practice, to continue to grow, to continue to learn, to continue. And we say thank you. Thank you, Earth. Thank you, Sky. Thank you, Heart. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to give yourself a chance to connect more deeply with your own self-awareness. Free write, stream of consciousness writing, and enjoy this beautiful process of self-discovery. Much love, and I will see you next time.